just part 2 of chapter 4. In part 1, we dealt with standard units or customary units, the ones that everybody else has abandoned. And now we're going to talk about the metric system. Here's the basic format. Our base units are grams, liters, and meters. This is weight, this is volume, and this is length. Okay? Its base unit is 1. And then it uses all of these prefixes. And so kilo means 1,000 times this. Hecto means 100. Deca is 10. Deci is 0.1. Centa 0.01, and so on. Okay? So they do some more over here. They give you more. And then, so we're going to be using all of this as we go along. Okay? Let's look at what we have here. If the prescriber ordered 0.5 liters of 5% dextrose and water, how many milliliters were ordered? This is not useful information for us right now. Basically, we're being asked to convert 0.5 liters into milliliters. Okay, so 0.5 liters is what I'm trying to convert. Now let's look for the conversion between the number of milliliters and the number of liters. The number of milliliters means 1,000th of a liter, okay? Basically, another way of thinking about that is it takes 1,000 milliliters to equal 1 liter. It is 1,000th of that, so it takes 1,000 of them to make it equal. Okay, so 0.5 liters, and I'm trying to convert, so I'm going to have liters in the bottom. And this is 1,000 milliliters. The liters cancel. If you multiply 0.5 times 1,000, you get 500 milliliters is your answer. Okay. A patient is to receive 1,750 milliliters of 0.9% salt by IV every 12 hours. What is the volume in liters? Again, we don't need this information in this problem. We're just converting milliliters to liters. Okay, and we had the conversion up there. It takes 1,000 milliliters to get to 1 liter. Okay, so I'm trying to get rid of milliliters, so I put 1,000 milliliters under 1 liter. Okay, the milliliters cancel out. I need to divide 1,750 by 1,000, and I get 1.75. Now, the good thing about the metric system is since you're always either multiplying or dividing by a power of 10, you're really just moving the decimal point. And you're moving the decimal point the number of zeros you have. If I have 1750, my understood decimal point is right here. Since I'm dividing and I have 3 zeros, I make my number smaller by 3 spots. I get 1.75. Okay? You can always use the division, or you can move the decimal point, whatever makes most sense to you. Okay? 4.7. The order reads 125 micrograms of digoxin by mouth daily. How many milligrams of this cardiac medication would you administer to the patient? Okay, it doesn't even really matter what this is. I want micrograms to milligrams. Okay, so 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms. So this is the conversion we're going to use here. I have 125 micrograms that I'm trying to convert, and I want milligrams, and I'm trying to get rid of micrograms, so I'm going to put 1,000 micrograms for 1 milligram. The micrograms cancel, and I end up needing to divide 125 by 1,000. Again, you can think of it as moving the decimal point 3 spots. It was here, 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 0.125 milligrams. Okay. 4.8. The order reads glucotrol 15 milligrams by mouth at breakfast. I bet that's a typo. How many grams of this hypoglycemic agent would you administer? So milligrams to grams. Okay. I know whatever, I'm trying to get rid of milligrams, so it's down here. But what's the relationship between milligrams and grams? 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Okay. So 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Milligrams cancel. And if you're using the decimal place option, I have 15. I need to move it 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. I have to fill in any spot with a 0. And if you use your calculator, you'll get the same answer, 0.015 grams.